Hey everyone. If you've ever had Google Chrome suddenly crash or freeze on your Windows PC, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick that can fix Chrome crashing and freezing issues in just a few steps. And yes, it's easier than you think, so stay tuned till the end. Navigate to Chrome's installation folder first. We need to find where Chrome is installed on your computer. Open File Explorer, then go to this PC and open your C drive. From there, navigate to Program Files, greater than Google, greater than Chrome, greater than Application. This is where Chrome's main files live. Rename the Chrome executable next. Look for the file named chrome.exe. Right-click it and choose Rename. You can rename it to something like chrome1.exe. Don't worry, it's safe. When Windows asks for administrative permission to make changes, just confirm. Renaming the file helps Windows reset certain launch configurations that might be causing the crashes. Create a desktop shortcut. Now let's make it easier to launch Chrome. Right-click the renamed file and on Windows 11, select Show More Options, then choose Send to greater than desktop open parenthesis, create shortcut, close parenthesis. This creates a new shortcut you can use to open Chrome without errors. Restart your computer. Finally, restart your PC. Once it's back on, use the new shortcut you created to launch Chrome. You'll notice that it starts smoothly without freezing or crashing, and you can browse safely again. And that's it. A quick, easy fix to get Chrome running perfectly again. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with anyone who's been struggling with Chrome crashes. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.